ADB. Okay, is it sorry, ABC, ADB we have right here, A, D, and here it is B. So this ADB, this angle is there, it half of ADB. This angle here, first case also, here we shown that ADB is half, angle ABC is half of ADB we shown. Here also we shown that ABC is half of arc ADB. Now we'll see the third condition. Now for that also we'll draw the figure. So case third. Case third. So for that we will draw the circle first of all. So here it is a circle. And the third case is that this center of the circle, this is center of the circle, M is what? Interior of the arc of interior of the angle ABC. So this is my angle ABC, ABC, and I will extend here this part. This is the tangent. So here also I have to show that ADB is there half of ABC is there half of ADB. So case third we'll write here. So actually it is a activity. So I will write all the activity and we will solve it. Only fill the blanks. So now here it is a case third, and this point M is there. It is interior of the angle ABC. So this is the activity which is given in our textbook, and we have to fill the boxes, and by mistake I wrote it here, that answer only. So I will explain you how it is there. So first of all, fill in the blanks and write the proof. So ray dash is the opposite ray of BC. So here it is BC, here it is BC, and opposite ray of BC is the ray BE. So we will write here ray, here ray is already written, so I will write here BE. So BE is opposite ray of BC. Now angle ABE. This is angle ABE. This angle ABE, as you know that just now we prove here, it is half the measure of intercepted arc. So angle ABE is equals to what will come? 1/2 measure of arc which AFB. Arc AFB. That we have to write here. Next, here 180 minus box is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AFB. So what is written here? 1/2 arc AFB. This is here AFB, and 180 minus what we have to write here? ABC. As you know that they are in a linear pair. So if we subtract ABC or ABE, this is ABE. What is measure of angle ABE? This total angles measure is 180. From that if we subtract ABC, so here 180 minus angle ABC is equal to what we will get here? Angle AF better. So this angle ABE means what I told you. If we subtract 180 minus angle ABC, this angle if we subtract, then we will get the measure of ABE. Okay, instead of ABE, what I said that instead of ABE, this ABE, what I wrote it here, 180 minus ABC means only ABE, and is equal to, as you know that ABE is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AFB. Already I wrote it here. Now what is AFB? AFB means whole circle is 360s. Whole circle is 360s, and if we subtract ADB from it, then we will get it here ABF. Whole circle is 360. Here it is written in activity, and we have to subtract this arc ADB. So we will write here arc ADB. Okay, this also I will write with another AFB. So it is highlighted. Here it is angle ABC. Okay, now this arc, what I told you, AFB, if we subtract from 360 minus ADB is equal to AFB. Now what is we are getting here? 180 minus angle ABC is equals to 180. If we divide this, 2 ones are 2, and here it is 180. So 180 is written here minus 1/2 into this angle arc is equal to 1/2 measure of arc ADB. We got it here. Okay. Now this 180 get cancelled with 180. So what is remain? Minus angle ABC is equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 measure of this ADB only we have to write it here. Here box is given, by mistake I wrote answer here. So here 1/2 measure of arc ADB and both terms are negative. Then on next step what happens? This both will be positive, and from this also what we get? This angle ABC is there. It is half the measure of arc ADB. So in this way we show that in three cases, if the center of the circle lies on the arm of the circle, otherwise center of the circle is exterior of the circle, exterior of the angle, and center of the circle interior of the angle, then in each cases this angle ABC is half the measure of angle ADB. For here also angle ABC is equal to 1/2 ADB, and here also angle ABC also is equal to 1/2 ADB. So in this way we show this theorem, that is the angle, that is if an angle has its vertex on the center, if angle has its vertex on the circle and one side touches the circle, okay, this is the side touches the circle, then the measure of angle, this measure of angle is half the measure of intercepted arc. So you just study this, all of you. It is a big theorem, so all of you practice it, and then we will solve the next part of the lesson. We will see in our next lecture. So we'll stop here only. Okay, thank you.